Introducing the Trinity Audio WordPress plugin. The popularity of smart devices and voice technology is growing at such a speed that you can rightly say we are experiencing a kind of audio revolution, one you can't afford to miss out on because you weren't listening. My penchant for puns aside, the fact is that the breadth of digital options has affected our attention span, as well as our time. The way we consume content has changed. Readers no longer have the luxury or patience to sit down and read through entire articles. We are wired to multitask and carry out other unimportant tasks, something we aren't quite able to if we focus all our attention on one thing, in this case, reading. If you routinely glance over my online ramblings about the significance and impact of voice tech in today's world, you already know that, or at least have suspected something was afoot. Many are starting to recognize just how convenient it is to have text read out to you. We at Trinity Audio are committed to helping publishers and content creators around the globe take part in the ongoing audio revolution by turning readers to listeners. Today, I'm excited to say that we are officially launching the Trinity Audio WordPress plugin. Utilize the power of voice on your website. With the new Trinity Audio Text-to-Speech WordPress plugin, any WordPress site can be audiofied in a quick, and more importantly, completely free way. That's right, this will cost you south of $0. Let's just say we are extremely proud to be a core part in helping publishers and content creators be where their audience is at and keep up with the times. Thanks to our WordPress plugin, your readers can become listeners with just a single click of the button. A quick and seamless integration will provide your readers with a listening experience and help you improve user experience on your website, as well as increase on-site engagement by 5 times, maybe even more. You can choose from dozens of natural-sounding voices from Amazon Polly, our partner in crime when it comes to authentic speech. There are a number of languages to choose from, including English, French, German, Spanish, and Chinese, with more to come on the way. Each individual post can have a different gender and language set as default. In terms of content, the article body, headline, and excerpt can be read, with the possibility of removing the latter two if you feel like it. The player itself is compact, elegant, and fits perfectly into any page's layout. The exact location is configurable with further customization options available to blend in seamlessly. It requires WordPress version 3.0.1 or higher. We've tested up to 5.0.4 with PHP version 5.6 or higher. How does our text-to-speech converter work? I'd like to point out that you don't need to be a rocket scientist to set up this plugin. You can, but it's not necessary, as the entire process is super easy and intuitive. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Install the Trinity plugin from the Add New Plugin option on your WordPress installation. Activate the plugin. Go to the Trinity Audio tab in your WordPress admin interface and configure the settings for your plugin. And that's it, you're good to go. Now you are able to convert all of your content into audio with the most natural sounding voices in no time. If you want a text-to-speech demo, just click on the audio player below the title in this post. It's the same thing. Now it's time to devote some attention to the configuration options mentioned above. You can tinker around and adjust the following. Bulk update: convert all of your existing written content to audio. When bulk update is initiated, a clear indication for the process will be displayed in the UI. You can still disable the player from specific posts from the Post UI view. Player position: choose where on your page you want the audio player to be placed. Ideally, the player should be positioned before the main article text so the reader knows he has the option to listen. Gender: set the default gender voice for each post. Source language: select the language of your content. Display powered by Trinity Audio: tick this box if you want to display credit next to the player and show us some love. We'd be very grateful if you chose to give us credit, since, after all, the plugin is free. Player label: here you can enter optional text you want to display above the audio player. Supports HTML tags. New post default: an option to make the player automatically enabled for all new posts. If you turn this option on, Trinity Audio will add an audio player for each new post. Add post title to audio: enable this setting if you want each audio file to start by reading the post title. Add post excerpt to audio: if you enable this, each audio file will read an excerpt from the post at the beginning of the audio. This excerpt would follow the title, if chosen. Skip tags: use this option if you want to avoid generating audio for specific articles based on the tag you added. Are you with us? That would just about cover all you need to know about our text-to-speech WordPress plugin. As a publisher or a content creator, you can no longer depend on reading experience alone to capture your audience's attention and get your message across. I believe the next few months are going to be a make or break time, as users will continue to be into audio content more and more, whether you provide it or not. Failure to adapt will likely result in being left behind tomorrow, so it is up to you to create the experience your audience is expecting today. We hope our new text-to-voice plugin turns out to be everything you hoped, and more. Should you have any questions, problems, or concerns, technical or moral, that require our attention, or just want to say hi, feel free to reach out to us at wp@trinityaudio.I. We are eager to get some feedback and would love to talk to you. Viva la audio revolución! Digital audio advertising has done a lot to make digital audio the go-to medium for both publishers and advertisers, with plenty of potential left. While very important, current audio measurement strategy is severely lacking because KPIs for audio are based on its video and display counterparts. Just to make things clear, when I say audio, I mean both spoken word type audio content such as podcasts, audio articles and ads, as well as products of its interface like forms such as voice queries, audio skills and actions, and such.